By thinking through the what and why of what you are going to write, you have already begun the process of organizing your writing. What's key to the organizing, however, is the how. There's no single way to organize a piece of writing, but Anne Hanley shares her own process as a helpful starting point. First, have a guiding idea that is reader-centric. Put it at the top of the article, or better yet, write it down on a Post-it and put it somewhere where it would focus your writing. Next, put down an unordered list of key points which support that idea. Go and research those key points. Add more meat to the idea. Find data, examples, or other people's stories to expand on it. Reorganize paragraphs. This is akin to making the unordered lists ordered. Make nice transitions between the reorganized paragraphs. What structure will best support your content? A story or a how-to guide or a list? Use what makes the most sense. All 6 points are critical and will be dealt with individually in the following videos. But for now, look at it as one kind of framework. Remember, your own framework or process may differ. Instead of a list, you may use mind mapping or a flowchart or note card. For instance, J.K. Rowling used graphing paper and a ballpoint pen for her first Harry Potter novel. Chicago-based marketer Andy Crestodina writes an outline of a piece and then makes the main points its headers. Then he fleshes out the outline in a kind of fill-in-the-blank exercise. The bottom line, it's important to have a framework to organize your writing. Just figure out which one works for you, and then make sure you use it.